Hi student, in this lecture I will discuss trigonometric ratio of multiple angles. So let's start. Like if we have sine 2 theta, then it will be 2 sine theta cos theta, and which in terms of tan theta we can write that 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 is that cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and in terms of tan theta we can write that 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And 3 is what is the tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is nothing but you can write tan 2 theta as sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta, okay, in the simple form. And tan 2 theta in terms of only tan theta we can write that 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta, okay. And we can write simple tan theta in sin 2 theta and cos theta as sin 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta, okay. Now we move to the trigonometric ratio of the 3 theta. Like if we have sin 3 theta, then it will be 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. What is the cos 3 theta? It is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And what is the tan cos 3 theta, which is very important in terms of tan theta only, that is the 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, okay. So you just learn the various important trigonometric identity of multiple angles. If we have 2 theta and 3 theta, then what will be their corresponding sine, cos, tan, and if we have sine, cos and tan, you can simply find what is the cosec 2 theta, sec 2 theta and cot 2 theta, and in the similar ways, okay. So what is the sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, what is the tan 2 theta, what is the tan theta, sine 3 theta, cos 3 theta and tan 3 theta, which is the very important. Now we will move to our next topic, like what is the trigonometric ratio of different important value, like what is the sine 18, what is the sine 54, like tan 15 degree, something like that. So the topic is trigonometric ratio of some standard angles. Like if we have sine 18, then what is the value of sine 18? It is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4, okay. What is sine 63 degree, not 60, there is the 36 degree, is equals to whole root of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Then what is the sine 54 degree? This is nothing but root 5 1 plus root 5 plus 1 by 4. In sine 18 degree, it is nothing but root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sine 54 degree is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sine 36 degree is equals to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, and sine 72 degree is equals to root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay, so you can easily remember this. If you remember the 80 degree and 36 degree, you can remember this 54 and 72 degree. That is the if we remember that sine 18 is equals to root 5 minus 1 root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sine 36 degree is equals to root of 10 minus 2 into root 5 by 4, then we can easily find out what is the sine 54 degree and what is the sine 72 degree. And if we remember this is the 4 values of sine, so you can easily remember what is the cos. Like if sine 18 is equals to 18 degree is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4, then cos 72 degree is equals to also is equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, in the similar way. And now we will know what is the sine 15 angle versus the ratio of the 15 degree. Like if we have sine 15, then what will be its value? Its value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, and cos 15 degree is equals to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And what is the tan 15 degree? Tan 15 is nothing but sine 15 by cos 15, that is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, and if we simplify it, we get 2 minus root 3. What is the tan 75 degree? It is simply, there is the cot 15 degree is equals to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 is equals to, that is your, you can also simplify this, it will give 2 plus root 3, and we have another very important, that is equals to 4, that is the tan 55 by 2 degree, and that is equals to root 2 minus 1. So it is the very important tan 45 by there is a degree, not 0, there is a degree, so tan 45 degree by 2 is equals to root 2 minus 1. Okay, so thank you.